Are you looking for something good to eat that both tastes good and is good for you? Well, you can't get better than GUUD. GUUD is a fresh, modern version of the classic European muesli recipes that will help you live a healthier lifestyle. Whether it's improving your weight, mood, skin, sleep, athletic performance, or digestive health. Each one of our recipes offers a unique mix of plant-based and super clean whole foods in perfect combinations to deliver bursting flavor and function to your bowl. GUUD offers 3 lines of modern muesli cereals, including functional recipes rich in protein and fiber, slightly sweetened muesli for granola lovers, and traditional muesli with stepped-up flavors for variety. If cold cereal just isn't good enough for you, you can eat it hot like oatmeal or for easy overnight oats. And for bakers out there, it can be made into protein bars, bites, or even muffins. Being good to ourselves allows us to be our best for our families, friends, and communities. Eat good, feel good, be good. It's as simple as that. To learn more and try the good stuff, visit us at eatgood.com/AA or follow us on social media.